If you're looking for the best gadget for elderly and disabled, you've come to the right place. These models target different mobility and daily living needs, from lightweight support to compact designs. Each offers specific features for home or travel use. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 7. This chair brings simple, practical seating straight into the shower without complicated mounting. The Homland shower chair for inside shower is designed as a stable, waterproof bench that sits on the floor, giving adults who need support a secure place to rest while washing. Its main role is to lower the chance of slips by offering firm, level support where the floor is often wet. Because the unit stays within the shower, it encourages independent use of the bathroom for tasks like washing legs or feet. The frame is built from powder-coated steel, which resists rust and keeps the structure firm under regular steam and water exposure. Many designs use plastic or flimsy tubing, but this one focuses on strength for heavier users. The hollow back and legs help water drain quickly, which means puddles are less likely to sit and create hazards. Non-slip feet aim to keep the chair from sliding on slick tiles when someone sits down or stands up. What makes it different from other shower stools is its focus on straightforward installation and compact layout that fits smaller showers. There are no brackets drilled into walls, so renters or people avoiding permanent changes can still gain safety benefits. If an adult child or caregiver wants a low-effort way to add support inside the wettest area of the home, this chair offers a practical option that matches that need. Number 6. Featuring a distinct design, this model focuses on sturdy, medical-grade components built to handle frequent use in the bathroom. The design emphasizes stability and straightforward support where people need it most during toileting. Unlike lighter options, these features aim to fit into existing fixtures without major changes. Installation is generally simple, which appeals to people who want less setup and more immediate reliability. Because the build targets common bathroom movements, it can feel steadier during transfers, potentially lowering hesitation for those with balance concerns. What makes it different is the focus on basic safety and support rather than added electronics or complex mechanisms. Why that matters is that it gives caregivers a clear setup for guarding falls during high-risk moments, without constant adjustments. For adult children helping aging parents, that kind of straightforward protection fits into daily routines naturally. Who is it best for is mainly caregivers looking for a no-frills fixture that combines grab bars and support into one anchored system. It earned a spot here because it addresses a critical bathroom safety need using familiar parts, without demanding special tools or skills. That practical approach can be useful for long-term planning in homes where bathroom access is essential for independence. Number 5. This shower chair focuses on compact, low-profile seating that sits close to the wall. The frame uses a sturdy metal design with rounded edges to reduce bumps against tile. Raised sidebars and angled legs create a stable base and make standing from the seat easier. Textured molded feet grip slippery surfaces and help keep the chair from sliding. Leg length adjusts with simple hand tightening, so you can match it to your shower base depth. Because the structure relies on leg support rather than wall brackets, installation stays straightforward. The open back and narrow sidebars allow water and spray to pass through, which helps the chair dry faster. Cleaning is easier since there are no complex hinges, and the surface resists mold. For someone who prefers a minimal look and wants something unobtrusive, the compact frame may fit better. The design targets adults who need solid support but do not want a bulky chair. Caregivers can move it for cleaning or storage when extra space is needed. It is intended for in-shower use on level surfaces where the legs can fully contact the floor. If your priority is a compact, stable seat that installs without tools, this chair matches the goal. Number 4. This compact Calltou system focuses on clear, wired simplicity with a sleek handheld unit and separate receiver boxes. 2 call buttons and a distinctive shake-to-test function mean residents can press or gently move the device to request help. That design targets quick communication without needing to reach a phone or smart device. The stated 50-foot open area range allows receivers to be placed in different rooms, so caregivers can monitor common areas without constant line of sight. Dual receivers included means you can place one in a living area and another in a bedroom for broader coverage. This setup suits small apartments where running wires is not practical, but you still want defined zones for assistance. For families, the main benefit is reducing response delays when a button is pressed, because another unit sounds an alert in a separate location. It is also easy to carry from room to room or take during short visits outside the home. This product earns its spot by offering straightforward button-based help with multiple receivers, minimal installation, and flexible placement. It is best for caregivers who want separate dedicated devices for sending and receiving calls. Straightforward setup and clear audio signaling make it a practical addition to the list for many home-based care scenarios. Number 3. This model focuses on installing a sturdy metal support frame directly beside the toilet without replacing your current seat or hinge. Its main job is to give you firm, consistent handles to grip when lowering and raising your body, which many people find helpful for reducing wobbling. The design matters because it attaches in minutes to the tiles beside the bowl, so it stays in place without damaging walls or needing complex tools. What makes it different from a basic grab bar is that it forms a kind of low, sideways safety rail system around the seat, letting you steady yourself from multiple angles as you move. That structure can be especially useful for users with weaker legs or balance issues, because you can plan your sit-to-stand motion instead of bracing against slippery porcelain. For an adult child evaluating setups for a parent, this means easier installation and less visible hardware compared with wall-mounted bars. It is best for bathrooms with a standard toilet shape and enough side clearance for the rails, and for people who want added security without major renovation. It earns a spot on a comparison list because it balances straightforward installation, medical-grade support, and a compact frame that keeps the bathroom looking practical and functional. Number 2. This transfer belt focuses on calm, controlled movement through its padded, contoured hand grips that aim to fit securely in caregiver hands. The design targets reducing sudden slips by giving a firm hold on the patient during sit-to-stand actions, which can lower fear for both sides. Wider, padded handles help distribute pressure, so caregiver fingers do not ache during longer assist sessions, even with frequent use. Raised, non-slip edges are meant to stay secure when hands are damp, supporting safer transfers in bathrooms or recovery rooms. Because the belt is machine washable and built from strong, wear-resistant fabric, it holds up under repeated cleaning and daily routines without quick tearing. This Gait belt is best for home caregivers who support weight bearing during standing, walking, or simple rehab exercises, especially in smaller spaces where a bulky Gait harness feels overwhelming. People managing recent surgery, stroke recovery, or joint weakness can use the loop and buckle system for stable, predictable support while sitting on the edge of a bed or chair, helping build confidence with early steps. The straightforward setup and compact storage make it practical for day-to-day home health aides or visiting nurses who move between patients and need fast, dependable equipment. It earned a place on this list because it balances solid, padded construction with simple adjustability, fitting common needs for safe short-distance mobility without complex training or extra hardware. Number 1. This grabber tool stands out with its 360-degree rotating jaw and slim, foldable construction. Designed for users who struggle with bending, it allows picking up dropped items, groceries, or storage boxes without straining the back. The rotating jaw means you can align the head around table legs or narrow shelf gaps that fixed grabbers cannot reach. Its build emphasizes accessibility rather than heavy-duty lifting, helping people maintain safer, more comfortable postures during daily tasks. The folding mechanism makes it simple to keep in a purse, glove box, or kitchen drawer, so the support is nearby when needed. This tool is intended for adult children arranging home safety for aging parents, or for individuals managing reduced mobility themselves. It targets situations like reaching medicine bottles on high shelves, retrieving a phone from under furniture, or collecting groceries from the floor. The extended handle length reduces bending, while the lightweight structure keeps usage effort low. Setup is quick, with minimal assembly required and clear guidance on how to lock and release the grab mechanism. Because it addresses everyday reach challenges across the home, car, and office, it earns a spot on a focused list of accessibility aids for limited mobility. Buyers looking for a compact, easy-to-store reacher that complements cane or walker setups may find this model especially suitable for their routine. This model focuses on step support and balance for longer wear. The extra deep seat and higher armrests make sit to stand easier for weaker legs. That matters for users who need firm handles and slower, safer transitions. It suits seniors needing sturdy help getting in and out of chairs or beds. The simple design keeps setup straightforward and maintenance low. You get targeted help with standing and sitting without complex electronics. Check the links below for current pricing and details.